Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have for you a Boxycharm unboxing. So I'm super excited about this because I love Boxycharm, and I actually haven't gotten a Boxycharm in a long time. I just recently started up my subscription again. So yeah, we're just gonna be digging into this guy. So that's why I only have on like foundation and eyebrows, and concealer and powder. But that's because everything else I'm going to test out on my face. So let's get into it. And the first thing you get in the box is a little card that says Boxycharm. And they changed it, so it's like really cute. So this month's theme is Caribbean Queen or Caribbean, I don't know. And then they have a cute little picture. How cute. And then it tells you all the products that are in this box and what they retail for. So the first thing I see is this little guy. And this is the Sol de Janeiro, probably just butcher that, little Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So this is the little mini size. I think this is the mini size or like the travel size of it. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would actually be. This retails for $10, and we're going to compare it to the full size. So this is the full size guy, and this is the travel size guy. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to keep it or if I want to give it away in a giveaway, since I do have the full size of it right there. I'm almost out of it, but I do have. But anyway, so we got this month, which is awesome. So the next thing I see in the box is this Luxie brush set. This retails for $42. It comes with 3 brushes, a foundation brush, a tapered highlighting brush, and a duo fiber powder brush. That's awesome. I'm actually going to be using these brushes to apply some makeup that I already have in my collection. First one, which is the 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush. And I'm going to put on my bronzer with this brush. Now this isn't a brush I would typically use for bronzer, but we're gonna try it out today. So, like I said, this isn't a brush I would typically use for bronzer, but I mean, it did a good job. And then I'm going to be taking this one, which is the 660 brush, the Precision Foundation. I'm not going to be using this for foundation, but I'm going to use it for blush. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to be taking this one, the tapered highlighter brush, and actually using it for highlight. So I think those brushes were great. They feel super nice and they apply the product awesomely. And I don't remember if I said this or not, but they all retail for $42. Alright, the next thing is, I'm super excited about this. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Reina de Caribe Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. Sorry if I butchered that again. This is the palette by Gabby, which is Kathleen Light's friend. If you're not sure, she's a makeup artist, and she created her own brand, which I think is awesome. This is what the palette looks like. It says that this retails for $28, and it comes with 8 shades, and it's inspired by the Cuban culture. So that's awesome. So just so that this doesn't take forever, I'm just going to zoom in and do like a speed through of me using this palette. I'm not sure what look I'm going to go for yet, but you guys will see. Okay, so I just did this eye look and I think it's really fun. I haven't done a color like this in a long time, and that shimmer, That was so good, and I love this palette. It was actually the reason that I wanted to get this box, because I saw that this palette was going to be in it, and I was like, yes, I have to support Gabby, so I bought the box. But I was going to buy the palette regardless, so I kind of saved money. Anywho, so the next product in the box that I see is this June Bleu. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. That's like a French word, right? June Bleu. I don't know. Anyway, it's an eyeliner pencil in the shade Charcoal, so it's this nice gray color. Oh, it's a wooden pencil. I tend to not like these. So it says that it is a waterproof eyeliner pencil. It's 100% vegan. It glides on smooth for an elevated eye look, and you can use it along your upper lash line or in your waterline. And this retails for $5. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line my waterline with this. So this took a lot of dragging on my eyelid to even get any color payoff, and even then it's not the best color payoff. I don't know if maybe it just needed like a little starter to get to life, or I'm not sure, but this isn't my favorite as of right now. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this Baddington lashes. Comes in this cute little cardboard packaging, and the lashes look like this. It says the 3D multi-layered Baddington Monroe silk lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding volume and length to your lashes. They are handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. Wow, so see, if you take care of these guys, you can apply them many times. And they retail for $28. Okay, so change of plans. I tried to apply the lashes, and I suck at applying lashes, so I didn't actually get them on. I got one on, and they were super heavy, and I just didn't want to finagle with trying to put the other one on, so I decided I wasn't going to, and I'm just going to practice. So sorry that I don't have those on, but the next thing in the box is this liquid lipstick by Galactic in the shade Blossom. Now, there were 3 lip options. This is just the one I got. This says it's a richly pigmented lipped paint that within 1 minute will be dried down to a beautiful matte color that will not be dry or flake. And this retails for $23. I don't really know if it goes with this look, but we're going to put it on anyway. Alright guys, and that is the lip color. It is a stunning, stunning lip color, and I think it makes my teeth look whiter. You know, you have those like reds and oranges where they make your teeth look like super yellow. This is totally one of those that makes my teeth look so white. Okay guys, so that is everything for the Boxycharm. So I'm going to total this up really quick. This Boxycharm was totaled up to be $136, which is crazy because you only paid $21 for the box. And this month we got 6 full-size products in it, which is amazing. And again, you only pay $21, so that's awesome. I am not in affiliation with Boxycharm. I am not sponsored by them, and I don't get any kind of benefits out of making this video. I just really like their boxes, and I do enjoy letting you guys know how the boxes are to see if you guys want to purchase as well. But again, guys, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a blessed day, and yeah guys, I will catch you in my next video. Bye!